So in this video, we talked about using a pen tablet with Microsoft Office applications, namely Word and Excel. With a pen tablet, when you put the cursor where text would normally go, you can actually have this pop-up bar at the bottom here, which will accept your handwritten text input, and it will do handwriting recognition and convert it into text as if it was typed. Or you can choose tools such as the highlighter to highlight appropriate sections of text. And you can of course use the pen tool to write in annotations. You can also insert equations by writing them. But if you find that you are unable to do the equations, it may be because your document may be in an older file format. You can recognize that when it says compatibility mode in the title bar. So you need to save it again. Now you save it without checking this box here that says maintain compatibility with previous versions of the program. You save it, it should try to update it to the latest version of the file. And once you do that, you'll see that in the insert ribbon bar, you can find equation. You click on that and you can do ink equations. And with ink equations, you can actually use your pen tablet to write your equations in a natural way. And it should try to interpret your handwritten equations into the proper mathematical symbology and format. You can do very similar things in Microsoft Excel, for example, using pens. You got pen, highlighter, eraser, and so on. You can choose colors. You can handwrite in the document. This is useful, obviously, if you're conducting a lesson. In fact, the drawings can also be treated as objects. You can select the object, move them around. Makes it a little bit more convenient to do editing or corrections. And if you're using some other application that doesn't have its own ink equation feature, you can go to the Windows Accessories Math Input Panel app, and that will allow you to insert math equations into most other applications.